Welcome to Sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. All topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like Bank PO, RRB, Railways, SSC CGL and many more. These videos are useful for many government job exams and job interviews. These are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. In this video, we are solving questions for finding unit digits. Our question is, if unit digit of product of 2175 multiplied by 1723 multiplied by 3169 multiplied by 236a, here ones place is a, 236a is 0, then find maximum value of a. The given options are option A 2, option B 8, option C 4, option D 0. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The ones place digit of given numbers are 2175 has ones place digit 5 multiplied by 1723 has ones place digit or unit digit 3 multiplied by 3169 has ones place digit or unit digit 9 multiplied by 236a has ones place digit a, and the ones place digit given to us is 0 of entire calculation. We know that whenever 5 is multiplied to any number, the ones place digit comes out to be 5. 5 times 3 is 15, the one place is 15, and 15 times 9 is 135, which has ones place digit 5, and 5 multiplied by a, and this is equal to 0. As we know that whenever 5 is multiplied by any even number, it ends with 0. Like 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, has ones place 0, 5 times 4 is 20 and ones place is 0, 5 times 6 is 30 and ones place is 0, and 5 times 8 is 40 and ones place is 0. So a can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6, it can be 8. Also a can be 0 to get the ones place or unit digit 0. But in the question it is asked, find maximum value of a. Therefore, a equal to 8 because the maximum value of a can be 8. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 8. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. This was very easy question but confusing, as it can have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 answers. But in the question it is given maximum. That is the important point, and we have to be vigilant in reading the question and what exactly is asked in the question, that we have to keep in mind. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 23 raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, and it goes up to plus 99. The given options are option A 3, option B 9, option C 7, option D 1. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit when 23 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 99 is solved. So first we have to find the sum of this power 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 99. And we know that the sum of first n natural numbers is given by n plus 1 upon 2, and this is equal to n is 99, and n plus 1 is 99 plus 1 is 100 divided by 2. 2 cancels 100 for 50 times, and this is equal to 99 multiplied by 50, and this is 4950. So this gives 23 to power 4950. As we know that unit digit repeats itself after every fourth power. So what we will do, we will divide 4950 by 4 and we will find the remainder. And ones place of 23 is 3. And 4950 when divided by 4, we have to only divide the last two digits. And 50 when divided by 4 leaves the remainder 2, as 12 times 4 is 48 and 50 minus 48 is 2. So this is 3 to the power 2 and 3 times 3 is 9. So the unit digit of given question is 9. It was very easy question. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 9. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 3 to the power 3 plus 33 to the power 33 plus 333 to the power 333 plus, and this goes up to 100 terms. The given options are option A 3, option B 9, option C 1, option D 4. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit. Please watch the solution carefully. We can write this question as 3 to the power 3 plus, as we know that the number having unit digits 3 repeats itself after every fourth power. So we are going to divide the powers by 4 and we will write only the unit digit. So unit digit of 33 is 3 and the power of 33 when divided by 4 leaves remainder 1, as 8 times 4 is 32 and 33 minus 32 is 1, plus the next number is 333. The unit digit of 333 is also 3 and it will be the same for every number up to 100 terms, and the power of 333 is also 333, and we have to divide this number by 4 and we have to find the remainder. So we will divide the last two digits, which is 33, and again we are going to get the remainder as 1. This way we are going to get the remainder for every term as 1, and these terms will be up to 99 terms. So this is going to be 3 to the power 3 plus 3 multiplied by 99, and this gives us 3 to the power 3 as unit digit 7, as 3 to the power 3 is 27 and unit digit of 27 is 7, plus 99 times 3, and we have just to find the unit digit. So we will multiply the unit digit of 99, which is 9, by 3, and 9 times 3 is 27, and again the ones place or unit digit of 27 is 7. So this is going to give us 7 plus 7 is 14 and ones place digit is 4 of 14. So we are going to get the ones place digit 4 of the entire calculation. And from the given option, our answer is option D, 4. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. It was looking a difficult question, but if you see the solution carefully, it is very easy question. You have just to remember the concept of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the digit at thousands place of 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 968. The given options are option A 1, option B 3, option C 7, option D 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the digit at thousands place, not at unit place. So we solve this question like this. 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 968. We can write this as 6 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 965, as we have taken the 3 powers from 968. So it has become 965, and we have written it as 6 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 965. This can be written as 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 into, or multiplied by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 965. This becomes equal to 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 is 5 times 2 is 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 965. Now this question has become very easy now. 10 to the power 3 is 1000. So whatever the digit we get out of 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 965, the digit at ones place of this is going to be the digit at thousands place, as we have 10 to the power 3 in multiplication of it. So we will just find the ones place digit of 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 965. As we know that 3 to the power 3 gives the ones place digit as 7, 27. 3 to the power 3 is 27, and 27 has ones place digit or unit digit 7. And whatever may be the power of 6, the ones place digit of 6 is always 6. So this is going to give us 7 times 6 is 42, and ones place digit of 42 is 2. Therefore, the ones place digit of this entire calculation, 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 6 to the power 968, will be 2. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 2. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, for any natural number n, find the digit at ones place of, in first parenthesis or in first bracket, 8758 whole raised to power 3 raised to power 4n plus 2 minus, in second parenthesis, 3752 raised to power 4 raised to power 3n minus 3. The given options are option A 5, option B 7, option C 3, option D 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As we have to find the ones place digit, so we have to consider only ones place digit. The ones place digit of 8758 is 8, and the power to this number is 3 and again 4n. So this is 12n. We can write it as 8 to the power 12n plus 2. And in second parenthesis we can write it, the ones place digit of 3752 is 2, and the power to it is 4 and again 3n. So it is 12n minus 3. Now it has become very easy. You can just see it. As you know that any digit at ones place repeats itself after every fourth power. So 8 to the power 12n, and we divide this 12n by 4, we are going to get 8 to the power 4. As 12n is divisible by 4, so we can write it as 8 to the power 4 plus 2 minus, in the second bracket or second parenthesis, 2 to the power 12n, and 12n we know that it is divisible by 4, so we can write it as 2 to the power 4 minus 3. This gives 8 to the power 4 can be written as 8 to the power 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 2, and 8 to the power 2 is 64, so we can write it as 64 multiplied by 64, and we multiply the ones place digit of both 64, and that digit is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and ones place of 16 is 6. This way we can easily find the ones place digit of 8 to the power 4, and ones place digit of 8 to the power 4 is 6 plus 2 minus 2 to the power 4 is 16, and ones place digit of 16 is 6 minus 3. This gives 6 plus 2 is 8 minus 6 minus 3 is 3. This is 8 minus 3 is 5. So ones place digit of the given question is 5. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 5. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find unit digit of 1 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 4 to the power 8 multiplied by 5 to the power 10 multiplied by 6 to the power 12 multiplied by 7 to the power 14 multiplied by 8 to the power 16 multiplied by 9 to the power 18. The given options are option A 2, option B 3, option C 9, option D 0. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. It seems to be very difficult question, but it's very easy question. We just observe and we'll find the solution. Here we have 2 to the power 4, and we also have in multiplication 5 to the power 10, and many even numbers in this question. 2, 4, 6, 8, these are the all even numbers, and any even number multiplied by 5 gives us ones place 0. So the ones place of this question or unit digit of this question will be 0. It is that easy question. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 0. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 11 to the power 11 plus 22 to the power 22 plus 33 to the power 33 plus, and this continues up to 99 to the power 99. The given options are option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 7. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the unit digit. So we will consider the unit digits of the each number. The first number is 11 to the power 11, and we know that the digit repeats itself after every fourth power, and 1 repeats itself by every power. So 11 to the power 11 will give ones place as 1 plus 20 to the power 22. The ones place of 22 is 2, and the power 22 when divided by 4 leaves the remainder 2, as 5 times 4 is 20, and 22 minus 20 is 2, plus 33 has ones place digit 3, and the power 33 when divided by 4 leaves remainder 1, as 8 times 4 is 32, and 33 minus 32 is 1, plus The next number will be 44, and ones place digit of 44 is 4, and 44 when divided by 4, it's completely divides. 11 times 4 is 44, but we will write the power as 4, plus 55 has ones place digit 5, and 55 to power 55. 55 when divided by 4, it leaves remainder 3, as 13 times 4 is 52, and 55 minus 52 is 3. 66 to the power 66, and 16 times 4 is 64. 66 minus 64 is 2, plus 77 has ones place 7, and power 77 when divided by 4 leaves remainder 1, as 19 times 4 is 76, and 77 minus 76 is 1, plus 88 to the power 88. 88 has ones place digit 8, and power is completely divisible by 4, so we will write it as 4, plus 99 has the ones place digit 9, and the power 99 when divided by 4 leaves remainder 3, as 24 times 4 is 96, and 99 minus 96 is 3. Now we can easily find the ones place digit. 1 is 1, and 2 to the power 2 is 4, plus 3 to the power 1 is 3, plus 4 to the power 4 is 256, and ones place digit will be 6, plus 5, whatever may be the power of 5, it remains same, so we will write it 5. Similarly, whatever the power of 6, the ones place digit is always 6, so we write 6. 7 to the power 1 is 7, plus 8 to the power 4. 8 to the power 4 can be written as 8 to the power 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 2 is 64, and again 8 to the power 4 is 64, and each 64 has ones digit 4, and 4 times 4 is 16, so we write 6 as unit digit of 8 to the power 4 will be 6. 9 to the power 3 leaves ones place digit as 9. 9 to the power 3 is 729, and ones place digit is 9. But the simple property of 9 is when the power of 9 is odd, it is 9, and when the power of 9 is even, it is 1. Ones place digit is 1. Now it is very easy. You can easily find the ones place digit. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. And ones place digit is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. And ones place is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. And ones place is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17, and ones place is 7. So ones place digit of this is 7. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 7. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the unit digit of 2573 to the power n is 7. What is the unit digit of 2358, that is 2358 to the power n? The given options are option A 8, option B 4, option C 6, option D 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The ones place digit of 2573 is 3, and 3 to the power n leaves ones place 7. As we know that 3 repeats itself after every fourth power, it means that if n is divided by 4, the remainder is 3, as 3 to the power 3 is 27 and ones place of 27 is 7. It means that n when divided by 4 leaves remainder 3. If 2358 has ones place 8 and it has the power n, it means that when n divided by 4 will remainder 3, so it will be 8 to the power 3, and 8 to the power 3 is 512, which has the ones place digit or unit digit 2. Otherwise also, if we don't know the 8 to the power 3 is 512, we can easily find it out. 8 to the power 2 is 64 and ones place of 64 is 4. We again multiply 8 to the 4 and 8 times 4 is 32 and 32 has ones place 2. This way we can easily find the ones place digit of 8 to the power 3. This gives our answer that 2358 to the power 8 has unit place 2 or ones place 2. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 2. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, the unit digit of 152 multiplied by 273 multiplied by 34n is n plus 5. Find values of n. The given options are option A 0 and 2, option B 4 and 6, option C 4 and 8, option D all odd digits. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the unit digit. So we will consider the unit digit of all the numbers, and the unit digit of 152 is 2 multiplied by 273 has unit digit 3 multiplied by 34n has unit digit n, and 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by n is 6n, and this unit digit is equal to n plus 5. What we observe that 6n is even number, and if n plus 5 has to become even number, then n must be odd, because odd plus odd make even number, and whatever the value we put of n in 6n, that must match with n plus 5. So n has to be odd. This is one thing, and we can verify it. If n is 1, then 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, and this should match with n plus 5. If we put value of n as 1 and 1 plus 5 is 6, if we put value of n equal to 2, then 6 multiplied by 2 will give us ones place digit 2, as 6 times 2 is 12. But if we put n equal to 2, then n plus 5 will be 7. So we cannot have the even values of n. If we put the value of n equal to 3, the odd value, then 6 times 3 is 18 and unit digit is 8. And if we put n equal to 3 in n plus 5, then 3 plus 5 is 8. So it matches the unit digit. If we put n equal to 5, then 6 multiplied by 5 is 30 and ones place is 0. So if we put n equal to 5, then 5 plus 5 is 10 and ones place is 0. So it again matches. If we put the value of n equal to 7, then 6 multiplied by 7 is 42 and 2 is the ones place digit or unit digit. And if we put n equal to 7 in n plus 5, then 7 plus 5 is 12 and ones place digit is 2. So it matches the values both side, and 6 multiplied by 9 if the value of n is 9. Then 9 times 6 is 54 and ones place digit is 4, and in n plus 5 if the value of n is 9 then n plus 5 is 14 and ones place digit is 4. So this way we can prove it. N plus 5 and 6n ones place digit same. And from the given options our answer is option D, all odd digits. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the unit digit of, in first parenthesis or first bracket, 2513 raised to power 357 plus 1785 raised to power 539 multiplied by, in second parenthesis or in second bracket, 5329 raised to power 568 minus 1254 raised to power 423 multiplied by, in third parenthesis or third bracket, 1257 raised to power 547 minus 981 raised to power 345. The given options are option A 2, option B 3, option C 5, option D 6. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit. So we will consider the unit digits in the constituent numbers. 2513 has unit digit 3, and we know that the unit digit repeats itself after every fourth power. So we will divide the power by 4 and the power is 357, and last two digit of 357 are 57, and we divide 57 by 4. 14 times 4 is 56, and 57 minus 56 remainder is 1. So we write 3 to the power 1 plus 1785 has unit digit 5. So we write 5, and we know that whatever may be the power of 5, 5 remains same. So we keep it as 5 multiplied by, in second bracket or second parenthesis, 5329. So ones place digit is 9. So we write 9 and we divide the power of 5329, which is 568, by 4, and last two digit of 568 is 68, which is divisible by 4. 17 times 4 is 68. So 68 minus 68 is 0, but we will put the power 4, we cannot take 0. So we put the power 4 minus 1254 has ones place digit is 4 and the power is 423. We divide the last two digit by 4. So 23 when divided by 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and 23 minus 20 is 3. Multiplied by, in third parenthesis or third bracket, 1257 has ones place 7 and power is 547. We divide 47 by 4. So 11 times 4 is 44, and 47 minus 44 is 3. Minus 981 has ones place digit 1, and whatever may be the power of 1, it remains same, 1. So we write 1. This gives 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 5 is 8 multiplied by 9 to the power 4 is 1. As we know that when 9 has power odd, it is 9, and when the power of 9 is even, it is 1. We can also solve it. 9 times 9 is 81, and 81 multiplied by 81. 9 to the power 4 can be written as 81 multiplied by 81, and 1 of 81 multiplied by 1 of 81 gives 1. Minus 4 to the power 3 is 64, and ones place of 64 is 4 multiplied by 7 to the power 3. 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49 and 9 times 7 is 63, which is unit digit 3 minus 1. This gives 8 multiplied by 1 minus 4 is minus 3, but we cannot take it negative. So what we do, 10 minus 3 is 7 multiplied by 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 times 7 is 56 and 1's place of 56 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12 and 1's place of 12 is 2. Thus our answer is option A, 2. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.